How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. And me and Walter just got in, and we're both starving to death. So, I had some Nathan's all beef hot dogs, beef franks.
With french fries.
And we both gonna eat 3 hot dogs each.
French fries.
Gonna air fry them. I already slit the hot dogs that way. And air fried hot dogs are delicious. They taste like fresh roasted hot dogs. So, we're gonna heat them up in the air fryer. Right now I put it on 350 for 8 minutes. So, I don't want to put that in the refrigerator now.
I like that kind of tea.
I'm glad.
I'm gonna have some.
I'm gonna put the camera on you. Okay, there's Walter putting up stuff.
Hey, how all y'all doing? Happy weekend to you. Happy Saturday. Yeah, we just got in and I bought a little birthday cake.
That's the birthday cake he bought for me.
Really, I would have got a big one, but she don't eat that kind of stuff anyway.
I don't eat that either. What is that, confetti cupcakes?
I don't know. This is birthday cupcakes or something. I don't know.
You wasn't thinking about me when you bought that.
But anyway, happy Saturday. Have a safe weekend. And this is her birthday weekend. Her sweet 16 birthday weekend.
Sweet 16. Okay.
Oh, shit. Right.
Man.
I'll see you now.
Okay. I've been enjoying my ice maker. And I keep 3 bags of ice in my freezer. These are the vacuum sealer bags. They're nice and tough, so they don't bust when I bang them on the counter to break up the ice. So I have to make ice once every 3 days. So 3 bags of ice will last us. So I bought me this nice insulated mug from Walmart. I've had this maybe a couple weeks now. When this bag gets empty of ice, I just kind of dry it out as best as I can until I make more ice. I don't throw these bags away, so they can be reused as long as I don't put meat in them, raw meat. So they're good. I got some of this Gold Peak sweet iced tea. So I'm going to fill this up halfway. Then I'm going to fill the rest up with water. Oh, Lord. My hand is weak. Okay. I'm so hungry. Really, really, really hungry. See what this doing. Nothing. I'll be back. We're getting ready to stop, so I'm just gonna fix 2 hot dogs to start with. So I got my mustard. I'm gonna use some Famous Dave's spicy pickle relish. It's sweet and spicy. It's really, really good. I buy it from Walmart. Cutting up no onions. Sometimes I don't feel like doing nothing but eating. I don't even want to fix it. Usually I would cut up onion, but I ain't. Why is this beeping? Okay. Stop. It's ready. Yep. It looks. Frozen fries, they cook right along with the hot dogs. I hope they do. Yep. I just want a few fried fries and I'm good. Okay, so Walker wanted 3 hot dogs, and I fixed me 3. So I may come back for the other one. And I like slitting the hot dogs like this, so they can cook from the inside out. Tastes like fresh roasted hot dogs. Like if you're at the baseball park and you buy the hot dogs, those are roasted or steamed. But these taste good. That's what I'm trying to say. So, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And check to see if you're still subscribed. And y'all have a blessed day. Bye.